The SecureLatch series Pintle Hitches and mounts streamlines the trailer hookup process with a revolutionary auto-locking design. It's as simple as strike, drop, auto-lock. When backing up to the coupler, an integrated backplate helps center and align the lunette ring. As the lunette ring is lowered over the hook, the auto-locking latch engages without any manual coupling. Once the ring is seated into the cupped hook, simply insert the safety pin and connect the safety chains for a secure and confident tow. The SecureLatch pintle hooks and ball combinations also offer a smoother, quieter ride compared to traditional pintle hitches. The cupped hook is engineered to have a tighter, more secure towing setup that reduces chucking and noise. SecureLatch accessories are available in a fixed shank receiver mount or an adjustable style to find the perfect height to match your truck and trailer. The adjustable pintle mounts feature a unique slotted design offering maximum versatility with easy one-wrench adjustment. Every SecureLatch mount also features an integrated safety chain hanger, which prevents the trailer safety chains from dragging on the ground. For the trailer side of the connection, SecureLatch lunette rings allow for easy hookup and are designed to fit any towing setup. With a choice between a flush mount or a channel style, each lunette ring can be flipped and adjusted to find the best towing height. They also feature a unique drop-in pin that is lockable, preventing theft from when your trailer is left unattended. From the job site to the farm and beyond, get the job done faster, easier, and safer with SecureLatch.